Okay, honestly, you wouldn't think that about 3 days ago I took this thing to get cleaned at the car wash. That was the biggest waste of like 15 bucks I've done in a long time. So, got the bucket, got the pressure washer. I'm gonna hand wash the front of this to get as much of this nasty bug goop off. Then we'll turn it around and we'll start at the top, cleaning the roof. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, I guess I shouldn't have been lazy. I should have just done it by hand to start with. That's okay though. Definitely gotta get on the roof though because of all this high humidity and rain and thunderstorms, plus 100-degree weather. I guarantee the roof is probably looking green from mold. So yeah, definitely gotta get on the roof. And like I was saying earlier, because of all the humidity and the rain, 100 degrees temperature, the roof just turns filthy within a couple months. So that's what we're gonna try and take care of. Got a little wet there. This part's 100% better. There we go. Okay, it's 10:23 and it's 94 degrees. It's crazy. Come back to this, see how it looks. Okay, tires are looking good. She looks white again. Yeah, happy. Should have done that the first time. Hey, so it's the 4th of July and we got something new we got put on the van. When we're in Michigan, there was a whole bunch of bugs, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, and
ticks were eating me, but the mosquitoes and the black flies and the no-see-ums were eating Kevin.
and even around here in North Carolina, we got a bad problem with the mosquitoes. So there's two ways to keep bugs away from you. One, well, the second part is what we got in the bathroom right here. That's the second part. A good bug zapper. Okay.
And we keep it on all the time.
Yeah, literally that thing stays on 24/7 now. It's that season. But we got something a couple months ago that we haven't put on the vehicle yet, and it's time to do it. so the second part doesn't have to work as much. Okay, and it's made by Living in a Bubble. Okay, we've actually got two other products we use from Living in a Bubble, and that's the window shades, and they work brilliantly. So let me show you it. It is hot as heck in here. Can you push that button up there and show you how the temperature?
Nope, yeah, this one.
Okay, 107 in the van, 96 out. We're
100%
stewing.
humidity.
We're stewing. So this is it right here. Living in a Bubble. Okay, from Australia. Swear by it. Stuff they make is brilliant. Now supposedly no fixed installation, easy to install, keeps mosquitoes, midges, no-see-ums, and that stuff away. Improves ventilation and
Tear resistant.
tear resistant. And I'm going to show you why that is important. For the past couple years, we've been using a bug net, the one you see on, as seen on TV, the one that collects together with the magnets. And my lovely assistant, the Vanna White of Van Life, is going to unbox it for us.
You can get it in black or white, he said.
Yeah, you can get it in black or white. We got it in white because for me,
We like to hear him say white.
black absorbs the heat. Oh, what came inside with it?
We got
We got
their little band.
keychain. We got some stickums, just in case you need to stick it.
And a sticker.
Hope's got brand new nails, okay?
I'm sorry, I got them short because I can't stand them long.
And a thank you card. Ain't that brilliant?
Live a life you don't need holidays from.
Yeah, you can't beat that. Get ready, your van life will never be the same. Living in a Bubble. Gotta love them. Great company. So, does it come in a bag?
Yeah.
Look at that. It comes in a bag, its own bag. So at the end of the season, fold it up, pack it away.
It's got a 1-year warranty on it.
Absolutely brilliant.
Can you remember how much you paid?
No. But it was before the tariffs.
Yeah.
So it's probably a lot cheaper back then. And it is magnetic.
Hey, it's not gonna just
Attaches by magnets. So I'm going to turn this one off and we'll turn the other camera on and we'll try and install this. Living in a Bubble. The white flying at. For our van, the ProMaster, magnets work great all the way around until you get to the bottom. So we got to figure out something.
Well, we don't have metal exposed, so I said maybe we can put a piece of metal along there.
Yep, so that's one thing. But it does do a hell of a job, and it's brighter on the inside. How was it looking out?
It was fine. It's like looking at you right fine.
Because looking at it that way, you can't see in it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like total privacy.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah.
So inside, with the fly net up, fly screen, there's Hopi down there. I can see her, but she cannot see me. So that is a benefit to the white one, I think. That's pretty damn good. Really happy. Okay, this beautiful thing is in our back garden right now. Look at him. He's beautiful, huh?
I want to smell the flowers. Speaking of which, they weren't blooming earlier today.
Look how
Beautiful.